Hi there, this is Elisa with WTI.
These black velvet hangers have been a game changer. There's many features I appreciate about them. First of all, they're non-slip. You can save so much space in your closet. And I really like that they're very heavy duty. They're super sturdy, so that means that not only can you hang like light dresses and blouses, but you can also hang your very heavy coats or suits. These are super well made, and I really appreciate the 360-degree swivel. Once you have used this, I promise you're not gonna want to go back to regular ones. Before, I would hang my skirts on regular hangers and I would hate that they would always fall off. But with these, they don't slip at all. You're also going to see that everything looks so organized. It saves so much space, and again, everything's gonna stay right where you leave it, not like before. Before, I used to have all of these hangers that would not match at all, but now everything looks super tidy, and these are super practical because not only does it save space, they're very durable, but you're also not going to see those hanger marks. I would highly recommend these hangers, and they come in a variety of other beautiful colors.
You are going to love these hangers, and that is my point of view.